Here we have a Browning 10 gauge pump unloaded. These are, one's a 10 gauge, one's a 10 gauge, one's a 12 gauge. We're going to see if the 12 gauge will shoot through the 10 gauge. The 12 gauge is a 3-inch number 4. The 10 gauge is a 3.5-inch number 2. To prove this is a 10 gauge, I'm going to put the 10 gauge shell in. That proves it's a 10 gauge. Now let's see. 12 gauge will stay in there, and the 12 gauge will load, but it does not want to eject. So let's see if it'll fire. If you were emergency and all you had was 12s and a 10 gauge gun, if you could borrow a 12 gauge shell from your buddy, and it probably just one shoot it through here, but we'll see if it worked or not. Fixing to strap the gun in. Got a lead sled down here. This is the 12 gauge, not the 10 gauge. Now I'm going to put it in the lead sled down here. I'm going to strap it all down and come back to you when I get ready to shoot. Alright, we're ready to go. We're going to be shooting from 30 yards. Looks like we yanked the shot. No, we did pretty good. There's your 12 gauge, number 4s, 30 yards through a 10 gauge. There you have it. There's what the case ends up looking like. You definitely will not be reloading that 12 gauge. Thanks for watching.